What's up everybody, Ibrahim Bogazi here, back with another educational video. As you know guys, this week I'm just focusing mostly on airdrops and mostly focusing on these new blockchains that currently do not have any tokens, and I want to make sure that we are all in it. Until these projects have a token, we will be hunting down for any airdrops that's going to be available for us. Now on this video we will be talking about Optimism as to how can we do some learn to earn quest and also stand a chance on gaining some airdrops on some of the dApps that will be building on the Optimism blockchain. You know the vibes. Make sure that you are liking this video, make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, and make sure that the notification button is also on. Like I said, we are talking about Optimism and how we can also be liable on gaining to earn some tokens from these dApps that will be building on the Optimism blockchain. Now keep in mind that Optimism has a token already. Now what we are looking for is these projects that will be moving over to the Optimism blockchain. Now what is Optimism? Optimism is a fast and stable and scalable layer 2 blockchain built by the Ethereum developers for Ethereum developers, built as a minimal extension to the existing Ethereum software. That's just a little bit about Optimism. If you want to go ahead and read up more about Optimism, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and read about it, check the white paper, also look at the team just in case if you want to find out more about Optimism. Like I said, Optimism has a token already. What we want to be hunting for now is the dApps that are going to be building, or the projects that are going to be building on the Optimism chain. Now the first one that we will be looking at is this document right here. So Galxe Optimism Quest. So this is a quest, this is a learn to earn quest. So what are we looking at here is partnering with Optimism to introduce web3 users to the ecosystem via a fun learn to earn model was a no-brainer. The Optimism Quest gives individuals new to Optimism the opportunity to enter the ecosystem risk-free, exploring dApps built on Optimism while earning NFTs along the way. So what happens here is that we will be doing some learn to earn quest and basically earning some free crypto, also earning some NFTs, and hopefully we will be seeing some airdrops on most of these projects that are building on the Optimism blockchain. Here are some of the projects that you could have a look into. As you can see over here, the first project is Pika, and these are the tasks that needs to be done. For instance, you need to open a trade over here, add liquidity, and from there add liquidity with amount of at least 30 USDC, which is locked for 3 days. And then from there, the second project is Rubicon. And here are the tasks. What you need to do is swap tokens for more than $20, provide liquidity for more than $20, follow them on Twitter, join their Discord, and additional rewards, explore role in the Rubicon Discord. And the third one will be Velodrome. Wow. And here are the tasks that needs to be completed. Add $20 worth of add $20 as LP to a stable pool, for example USDC and DAI. Follow them on Twitter. Additional rewards 5 OP to the first 1,000 successful campaigners. How much is Optimism currently? Let's just have a look at that, if it's actually worth it just to see. So let's just have a look at how much 5 so that's like approximately like $4 to $5, but in due time that should increase, and that means you should have more in value of the token as it increases in value. And we can also see some of the other project right here. We can see Lyra, and there's many more. I will leave the link to this document in the description. Go ahead and have a look at this document and participate in whatever you want to participate in. And also keep in mind that anything that I say in this video is not financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research before getting into any of these tasks that are mentioned here on this document. And the next one we will be looking at the quest on the Optimism. So on this quest you will be earning some NFTs. Earn NFTs for learning how to use the most popular apps on Optimism. Now currently there are 18 NFTs available that you can actually win. So here are some of the tasks that you're going to also need to complete before actually gaining these NFTs. Over here, as you can see, bridge to optimism using Stargate. So this is what you actually need to do. And what you can also do over here is discover price saving. What you need to do is learn how to save and win prize on Pool Together. What you can do is just click on start quest right here. I will also leave the link in the description for you guys to check this out. What you can do is participate in these quests right here, and you could win some of these NFTs right here. Like I said, this is not guaranteed, and make sure that you do your own research before putting your money into any of these dabs. Now, as you can see how it works, learn, review tutorials to learn about different apps on Optimism, complete each tutorial, complete a quest testing what you've learned, mint a badge for every quest you complete. So those are some of the things that you have to do just to start earning some of these NFTs. Now, if you found this educational and you found this helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. And guess what? I will see you on the next video.